In today's video, we'll discuss about the airport, the basic place where fire and rescue services are needed, a special zone and different than marine firefighting, different than commercial and industrial firefighting and domestic firefighting, the airport. And it is a dedicated location. Basically, every firefighter should know and have the concept of the airport. What the airport is the basically place where aeroplane take off, land, and different services are being provided, and different terminologies with respect to airport like runways, hangar, taxiways, passenger facilities, and other facilities. And its fueling and defueling is also the different one. You can see over here different types of landing and takeoff and runways, and the buildings are being shown. Airport basically is the international point where different nationals come and go, and the various cargo we move from one country to the other country. Government agencies are also involved over here, but here we are only interested with the airport firefighting, aeroplane and rescue vehicles. There are two different things, but the runway is the place where that aeroplane will land. About the aeroplane, its construction and its types and its limitations, a firefighter should have known. And then about the airport firefighting vehicle, that is the special one and the different operations, and a firefighter should know. Basically, various types of airports are there like commercial, general, international, cargo, military, reliever, and about the helipads. And controlled and uncontrolled airports. Controlled airports are having air control towers, and uncontrolled airports are not having that facility, and both are having different limitations. So the airport is a dedicated facility where takeoff and landing take place. During landing, during takeoff, during taxiways, during other facility fueling and defueling, the firefighter should know about all that factors and how to prepare and how to respond them. Main difference is there that one side is called land side and other side is called air side. One firefighter must be having the proper knowledge of this one, because land side areas like runway, he should know about that. And then if he's not knowing all that, how can he understand the alert systems? Then air side is having runways, taxiways, air control tower, movement of aeroplane, landing, and all about areas which are necessary for the firefighter to know. Day landing, night landing, various weathers, and having problem. Sometimes aeroplanes are having problem, and different other activities are being carried out on the air side. If a firefighter having the proper knowledge of all these special and specific services which are essential for the aircraft, a firefighter must know all these additional and essential services for the airport, and its own responsibility as a fire responder, as a firefighter for the rescue and other operations which are related with the ARFF vehicle and ARFF fire station, it should be known. Airside having specific areas, fueling and defueling and storage of fuel. Fuel is very high volatility and flammability. A firefighter must know the flash point of these, and he has to be very proactive in the safety of all these. Airside is highly restricted operational zone, and accessibility is only for those person who was authorized or who are ticketed passenger. Otherwise, no one can enter in that area. Aircraft movement services and strictly separated from the public land side. So a firefighter and a fire responder must know all these terms with the clarity. He must know his own area, that is firefighting at the airport with the ARFF vehicle, crash fire tender, which is the special one. Land side, he should have bit knowledge about land side, because fire safety is also there. which type of facilities are being provided in this area, and different types of activities are being carried out over here. And even then, fire safety is for the every area, whether it is airside or landside, terminal buildings and other services are being provided in this area. Fire safety is even equally essential, but its primary area is the airside and landing takeoff. So whether it is airside or landside, so the basic difference and limitations and terminologies, and according to that, a response which is needed, a firefighter must fulfill that. Thank you very much.